Chinese researchers have claimed a major breakthrough in stealth drone technology, solving a long-standing problem that has hindered U.S. defense projects for years. The X-47B was a landmark in U.S. unmanned aviation. Though initially praised for its carrier landings and autonomous refueling, the X-47B was scrapped in 2015 due to unresolved challenges in balancing stealth, aerodynamics, and propulsion. How China's new software addresses stealth drone design challenges that hampered U.S. projects. Research team says a revolutionary software design could provide critical technical support for next-generation warplanes. Chinese aerospace engineers have a revolutionary software design that they say will allow them to overcome a major barrier to stealth aircraft development. The new platform allows plane designers to have as many design variables as they want without increasing computing load, a feat long deemed impossible in aviation circles. The researchers described their innovation as breaking the dimensionality curse and used the U.S. Navy's X-47B, a demonstration stealth drone, to illustrate how the system worked. The X-47B was a landmark in U.S. unmanned aviation. It was one of the first drones to autonomously take off, land on carriers, and refuel mid-air. Yet the program was cancelled in 2015 after engineers struggled to reconcile stealth, aerodynamics, and propulsion. China claims to fix fatal design flaw that killed U.S. Navy's stealth drone dreams. The software optimized hundreds of stealth and aerodynamic parameters in one go. Chinese engineers say they have cracked a fundamental bottleneck in stealth aircraft design with a new software platform that lets designers juggle hundreds of variables without piling on computing costs. By retro-optimizing that airframe with 740 parameters, Huang's group positions its software as a direct answer to those trade-offs. The team, led by Huang Jiangtao at the China Aerodynamics Research and Development Center, demonstrated the method on the U.S. Navy's X-47B stealth drone, long cited as a case study in design trade-offs, and reported dramatic improvements when optimizing 740 variables at once, from drag and radar signature to engine thrust and airflow stability. Published this month in the peer-reviewed journal Acta Aeronautica et Astronautica Sinica, the work targets the aviation world's long-standing curse of dimensionality, where complexity rockets as more parameters enter an optimization. Traditional global optimization algorithms face the curse of dimensionality problem, Huang's team wrote. The group says its geometric sensitivity computation method, built on impedance boundary conditions, completely decouples gradient computation costs from the number of design variables, enabling full-scale aerodynamic stealth optimization, including radar-absorbent material ram coatings, providing critical technical support for next-generation low-observable aircraft development, they added. Instead of throwing sheer computing power at the problem, the researchers leaned on what the South China Morning Post described as a DeepSeek-style methodology that emphasized efficiency. According to the Hong Kong-based newspaper, they used unified field modeling to fold ram effects directly into aerodynamic sensitivity equations and reused electromagnetic field solutions. They transformed trillion-level calculations into matrices manageable on available hardware. Stephen Chen at SCMP reports that this approach could slash time and resources for China's military aviation programs as defense budgets surge worldwide. In computational design terms, the curse of dimensionality encapsulates why engineers traditionally simplify. This includes optimizing wing contours, inlet ducts, engine placement, and stealth coatings, which quickly becomes unwieldy. Huang's team argues that their technique sidesteps compromise, potentially allowing for a broader exploration of shapes and materials without the usual exponential penalty. Their paper stresses how component geometry, from wing leading edges to engine inlets, simultaneously determines flight smoothness and radar visibility. As variable counts rose, legacy optimization tools choked. The new method is pitched as scalable, keeping gradient calculations steady regardless of how many knobs the designers turn. This research came in right when sixth-generation fighter projects hit turbulence globally. The U.S. next-generation air dominance effort has been stalling, and the F-47 faces possible delays, even as China is believed to be advancing two next-gen fighters, the J-36 and J-50, alongside new stealth drones. If Huang's platform performs in real development cycles, it could shrink reliance on costly wind tunnel campaigns and physical prototypes, accelerating timelines from concept to flight test. The Northrop Grumman X-47B is a demonstration unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed for aircraft carrier-based operations. Developed by the American defense technology company Northrop Grumman, the X-47 project began as part of DARPA JUCAS program, and subsequently became part of the United States Navy's Unmanned Combat Air System Demonstration Program. The X-47B is a tailless jet-powered blended wing-body aircraft capable of semi-autonomous operation and aerial refueling. The X-47B first flew in 2011, and as of 2015, its two active demonstrators had undergone extensive flight and operational integration testing, having successfully performed a series of land and carrier-based demonstrations. For now, the claim is methodological, a way to make massively multidimensional optimization practical. But if it scales as advertised, it could shift how combat aircraft are shaped, coded, and tuned, moving the bottleneck from computation to imagination. The X-47B was a landmark in U.S. unmanned aviation. Though initially praised for its carrier landings and autonomous refueling, the X-47B was scrapped in 2015 due to unresolved challenges in balancing stealth, aerodynamics, and propulsion. By retro-optimizing that airframe with 740 parameters, Huang's group positions its software as a direct answer to those trade-offs. This development comes as sixth-generation fighter projects worldwide are facing difficulties. While the U.S. Next Generation Air Dominance Initiative has been cancelled and the F-47 faces delays, China is reportedly advancing two new planes, the J-36 and J-50, alongside stealth drone projects. Rather than focusing on raw computational power, Huang's team claims to have adopted a DeepSeek-style methodology prioritizing efficiency. The team used unified field modeling to integrate radar-absorbent materials into aerodynamic sensitivity equations, reused electromagnetic field solutions, and converted large-scale calculations into manageable matrix operations. With global defense budgets rising, the new design software could potentially save China significant time and resources, offering key support for future low-observable aircraft development, according to Huang's team.